let's look at the phase voltage and line voltage. And the phase voltage, let's see for the source. So this is three-phase source. And for this concept, I don't have to have the source being balanced. Okay. So let's see the source. I have the line point A, line B, and line C. And this point here I call the neutral point. So this is the neutral point of capital N. Okay, so the voltage Vn, V sub An, and V sub Bn, and V sub Cn. These are the phase voltages. Or we call this just called line to neutral voltages. Because from the line to the neutral point, line to neutral. And also the voltage VAB, VBC, and between the lines, and we call the line voltages. So VAB, VBC, and VCA are the line voltages, or we call the line-to-line voltages. Okay, and apparently the line-to-line voltage and the phase voltages, they are related to based on the KVL, right? Let's see, VAB, that's going to be equal VAN minus VBN. Right, so you can do the KVL. Remember, you can write the voltage drop equal to voltage rises. So here VAB, VBN, and VCN, they form a mesh or loop, and so the VAB follow this direction. That's a voltage drop, right? So that should be equal to voltage rises, and the VBN, that's a voltage drop. So therefore, negative VBN, that's voltage rise, and VAN, the following direction from the minus to plus, that's a voltage rise. So VAN plus negative VBN, or VAN minus V sub BN. Okay. And for VBC, similarly, you can apply this KVL. That's going to be equal VBN minus VCN. And VAB, VCA is equal VCN minus VAN. Okay, so we can do for the load. So for the three-phase load, we can also define the load, the phase voltages, and or the line to neutral voltage. And here I use the lowercase ABC to indicate the line points, and for the neutral point, I use a lowercase n, and therefore the VAB, VBC, the lowercase v subscript, and VCA are the phase voltages, and also called phase to neutral, also called line to neutral. And then we have oh no, these are the line voltages, right? So these are the line voltages, and the VAN, VBN, and VCN, these are the phase voltages. Just to introduce this concept, this is very simple for and also for three-phase system. Typically, if you see let's say if you have the certain electric machines, let's say in Tesla motor, the electric cars, and if they talk about the motor voltage, and they're typically talking about the line-to-line voltage, the RMS value, okay? And also in the transmission line, let's see if you have the transmission line has voltage of 230 kilovolts. That's the line-to-line voltage. And very rarely you talk about the line to neutral voltage. unless you are really doing the calculations and you specifically point that to the line to neutral voltage. Otherwise, when you are in any three-phase system, you talk about the voltage, you're referring to the line-to-line voltage in RMS value mostly. Okay. So next we're gonna look at the positive sequence and negative sequence.